In today's fast-paced world, finding the time to plan and prepare healthy meals can be a challenge. Busy schedules and limited culinary skills often lead individuals to rely on unhealthy, processed foods or expensive takeout options. However, there is a solution that can help individuals save time, money, and eat healthier: a yearly meal subscription service. A yearly meal subscription service provides individuals with a convenient way to enjoy nutritious meals without the hassle of grocery shopping and meal planning. With just a few clicks, subscribers can have all the ingredients for a week's worth of meals delivered right to their doorstep. This eliminates the need to make frequent trips to the supermarket and saves valuable time in meal preparation. One of the major advantages of a yearly meal subscription is the convenience it offers. Subscribers can choose from a variety of meal options, including vegetarian, gluten-free, and dairy-free, ensuring that their dietary preferences and restrictions are catered to. Moreover, the meals are pre-portioned and come with detailed cooking instructions, making it easy for even the most inexperienced cooks to whip up a delicious and healthy meal in no time. In addition to saving time, a yearly meal subscription can also save individuals money. By purchasing ingredients in larger quantities, meal subscription services are often able to negotiate lower prices with suppliers, passing on these savings to the customers. This means that subscribers can enjoy high-quality meals at a fraction of the cost they would pay at a restaurant or by buying groceries individually. Moreover, there is no food wastage as the ingredients are portioned exactly for each meal, reducing the chances of throwing away spoiled produce or unused leftovers. Aside from convenience and cost-effectiveness, a yearly meal subscription promotes healthier eating habits. Many subscription services focus on using fresh, whole ingredients and offer a wide range of nutritious meals. These meals are often balanced in terms of macronutrients and portion sizes, ensuring that subscribers can maintain a well-rounded and healthy diet. Furthermore, meal subscription services often provide detailed nutritional information for each meal, making it easier for individuals to track their calorie intake and make informed decisions about their dietary choices. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to lose weight or adopt a healthier lifestyle. By committing to a yearly meal subscription, individuals can also alleviate the stress and decision fatigue associated with planning weekly meals. With meals delivered right to their doorstep, subscribers can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having their weekly food requirements taken care of. In conclusion, a yearly meal subscription offers numerous benefits for individuals looking to save time, money, and eat healthier. The convenience of having meals delivered to your doorstep, along with the cost-effectiveness and nutrition-focused approach, make it an attractive option for busy individuals or those looking to improve their eating habits. By opting for a yearly meal subscription service, individuals can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without the stress of grocery shopping and meal planning. So why not give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys